Alright guys, the Unich Airdrop has finally announced the news that everybody has been looking up to, and I'm going to be sharing with you in this particular video. You might be asking me, what is the news? They have finally announced the listing date of their token called the UN, and I'm going to be sharing everything with you in this particular video. Also, if you remember, in the past month they decided to engage in an ICO, which is the initial coin offering, where you can purchase their tokens. You can purchase the UN tokens before the listing. So I feel that this is an opportunity for those who are interested in investing into this particular token. So I'm also going to be guiding you in this video how you can purchase the UN tokens and then also be able to sell and make profit during the listing. But before we go into that, if you are new into my YouTube channel, or if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So the first thing we are going to do is just go ahead and I'm going to show you how you can buy the UN token. So if you open the app right now, you are going to see that this pop-up message will come up like this. So if you just go ahead and click on buy, so it is going to load up this page like this, where it is asking you to connect your wallet and be able to purchase. But for easy access and operation, but I will not advise you to go through this method. So what you need to do is go to the comment section of this video, and also in the description section you are going to see a link there that I've posted. So what you need to do is copy the link and take it to your Phantom wallet. So on your Phantom wallet, you just have to come over to the search button right here and then paste that particular link that you copy in the description section of this video and also in the comment section, and then paste it. Once you paste it, you can just go ahead and click on it, and then it is going to load up the page like this, wallet. And on your Phantom wallet, first of all, you need to make sure that you buy the Solana coin. So why are you buying the Solana coin? If you come to where you are connecting your wallet, you are going to see that you can connect your wallet on 3 networks. So we have the Solana, we have the Ethereum, and we have the BNB. So these are the coins that you can use. These are the coins that you can use to be able to purchase the UN tokens. So which probably means that they are going to be listing on these 3 blockchains. And so you can't buy using the USDT. So if you want to buy, you need to buy any of these 3 coins. But I will advise you, make sure that you buy Solana, because I've tried BNB in the past. The process is a bit complicated, and also if you are not careful, you might end up losing at the end of the day. So use Solana right here. Remember, I said make sure that you have funded your Phantom wallet with Solana. You can buy Solana on any exchange, the Binance, the Bybit, the Gate, and so on, and then send it to your Phantom wallet. But if you were to ask me for an advice, I would tell you use Binance. So because on Binance you are going to have a smaller amount of Solana that you can send, and then with a smaller gas fee compared to Gate, compared to Bybit. Bybit might be able to enable you transfer a smaller amount from Bybit to Phantom wallet, but you are going to spend a higher gas fee. So now once you have funded your account, so this is it. You can see the world's leading OTC exchange. So the OTC there simply means over the counter. So that is what it is all about. And then you can read right here. So it is actually an exchange token. The Unich exchange is one of the leading on-chain OTC, over the counter. That is what OTC means, trading platform in the market, boosting $1 billion plus in total trading volume. So guys, wow, look at what it has already, wow, and then generating $20 million in revenue. So you have to come here and then click on connect wallet, and then which wallet are we connecting? We are connecting our Phantom. So we are on Phantom, so let's make it Phantom. And also I told you to fund your Phantom with Solana. So you click on connect, and then you can see that log in successfully. You can see we are under I do. So you just have to scroll down. You can see pay. What are we paying? We are paying Solana, and we are going to receive the UN right here. So you just have to go ahead and click on buy now, and then you can see it is going to load up to this page where you just have to go ahead and click on confirm. And then you can see transaction successful. So it is successful. They're asking us to review the app. So once you have done that, if you just scroll down, you're going to see that you have purchased the tokens right here. So this is the transaction history. This is the transaction that has occurred. This is the hash right here, and then you can see these are the amount of tokens that I purchased, and then this is the value of it in Solana, and then this is the price of it per one. When it started, I think it was less than 0.15. so look at where it is right now. So it has been pumping, and I did it 7 minutes ago. So that is how you can go ahead and purchase the UN token. So you can also log back or disconnect this particular wallet. Now, coming back to the biggest news that they have made the announcement. This is the official X account with over 500,000 followers right here. And then if you scroll down, you're going to see that 2 hours ago, this is what they had to say. Over the past period of time, the community has continuously asked one question: what is Unich cooking? You see, today we are officially saying out loud what many have been waiting to hear. Unich network, the next missing piece of the Unich ecosystem, is finally revealed. This is a product built with only single guiding principle, and that is freedom. Scheduled to launch in the first week of February 2026. So this is now the listing announcement and date. So they say scheduled to list on the first week of February 2026. Unich network marks a major milestone in Unich journey to expand its ecosystem. More than 5.6 million users who joined the FD airdrop campaign will become the very first users of the Unich network. So now these are those who are participating in the airdrop on their app. So if you're not yet participating, I'm going to leave the link in the comment section and also in the description section so that you can join and start participating. Now you might be asking me, is it late to join or not? It is not yet late. You know, the listing is going to be happening, let me say, we have 2 months away from now, and I'm going to give you the secrets of how to earn. So it's very simple. What you need to do is, for those who are, the app is not opening, if your app is not opening, what you need is simple: just download a VPN and be owning it, and then it will be opening up for you. So once you log in, you have to just be claiming your points here and then completing tasks. You see all these tasks, so just complete them and then you are going to earn FD points. These are points, not their token. Their name of their token is going to be UN, and that is what they are offering in the ICO, which I've shown you how to purchase it. So you can follow that technique. So these points that you are earning here are going to be converted to that token. Now, for those who don't know how to mine faster, what you need to do is make sure that you are active. Every 24 hours, come and claim. Every 24 hours, come and claim. And then on every Monday between the hours of 8 till around 2 p.m. always make sure that you are coming over to check. There is what they call the Monday Epic. On the Monday Epic, they used to give a lot of points. So anybody that is active within this time frame and sees that particular post, and then the funny thing is that Epic Monday will only last for 20 minutes. So which means that if you are not active within that 20 minutes, if you miss it, you have missed it and it's gone. So if you are participating in those Mondays, at least at least in January we still have 4 Mondays. In February I think we should be having 3, so plus the 2 remaining in this month. So I believe you are going to earn a lot and pass a lot of people. So if you follow the same simple techniques I've given you right here, you are going to still earn a lot from this project before the listing on the first week of February. So this is an information, and I thought of sharing it with you so that you won't be missing it. And please, if you're not yet participating, don't forget. And also, if you are new into my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.